Hey guys, in this video we're going to learn how to extract and work with subtrees of a plot. Sometimes you have a very big phylogenetic plot like we had in our very first example for phylogenies, and you might not want the whole thing there and you want to work with just a small plot, or in an effort to label things like we had a hard time with our first plot, you could use a subtree so it kind of creates more space. So in this video we're going to learn how to subset a tree, but also how to combine trees. So let's get to it. So we're going to start by saying extracting and working with subtrees using A. We'll start by load our required packages, and this one only requires one package, library, and it's the 8th package. So we're going to run that. Now let's load the tree data we will be working with. So we start with Newick. We'll just call our data frame that because that's the type of data it is. Read tree, and we're going to read in mammal tree.wnk, or nwk, sorry. Alright, so we have our tree data, and now we want to subset our tree. Subtrees. So this is going to break our main tree into subtrees. So we have a list of 5 subtrees. So let's plot the tree to see what it looks like. So we'll plot Newick. You see we got rodent, Homo sapiens, bovine is kind of an outgroup. We can subset this plot using the node function. And remember, we can, from the previous video, we can use the most recent common ancestor function to get node numbers if we'd like. But for this, we're just going to pick a node number. So tree 4 sub, we're going to take out node 4 from this plot. As you can see, we have Homo sapiens, gorilla, and Paniscus. Now, let's extract the tree manually. So we're going to say small tree is extract clade Newick 9. So we're going to extract, so we showed the extracted graphic here, but we're going to break the tree apart and store it. So we do that by creating a small tree. So if we plot small tree, you can see we have Homo sapiens, Paniscus, gorilla, pongo, etc. Now, what if we want to bind 2 trees together? So let's do new tree, bind tree, Newick, small tree 3. And now if we print plot the tree, you can see we have bound our subsetted tree to our regular tree. It doesn't really make sense because we have Homo sapiens, it's double represented, but we picked our original tree, which is the big tree here. We picked our small tree, which is Homo sapiens, Paniscus, gorilla, pongo, hylobates, and then we picked where we wanted to bind it, right? So we said bind it at the 3rd node, which was right here. So from a scientific standpoint, this makes no sense because you have Homo sapiens here and Homo sapiens there. But if we had a different subset and we knew where we wanted to bind the tree, we could use this bind tree function, give it one tree, a second tree, and then where we wanted to bind it. So, quick and easy video on how you bind trees together using our studio and the 8 package. Like I said, science for this example isn't the greatest, but it is a good example of showing you how you can take 2 trees, pick where you want to bind it, and then bind it together, and it will draw it very nice for you into this phylogeny. So with that, that's all I got for this video. It's a real short one, 5 minutes and counting. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.